चालू
चालू कर दिया हाँ चालू यही बोला
Hello friend, my name is JBN Manish Kumar Gupta, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. Today we will discuss classification and mode of action of disinfectant. Subject name is microbiology, discipline B Pharm 3rd semester. Disinfection is the process of destruction or removal of microorganisms and reducing them to the level not harmful to health. Disinfection generally kills the sensitive vegetative cell but not heat resistant endospore. If the object is inanimate, lifeless, such as working area, desks, benches, etc., the chemical agent is known as disinfectant. However, if the object is animate or living, such as human body, the chemical is known as antiseptic. Disinfectant are usually bactericidal, but occasionally they may be bacteriostatic. Disinfectants are classified on their chemical natures. First is acid and alkalis, second is halogen, third is heavy metal, fourth is phenol and its derivative, fifth is alcohols, sixth is aldehyde, seventh is quaternary ammonium compound, eighth is dyes, and ninth is detergent and soaps. Now we discuss first types of disinfectant, acid and alkalis. Generally, these are generally strong acid and alkali kill the bacteria, but weak organic acid inhibit their growth. Second, halogens, chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine is the free state as well as their compounds strongly act as germicidal. Third is heavy metal. The most widely used heavy metal are those of mercury, silver and copper. Heavy metal and their compounds act as antimicrobially by combining with the cellular protein. High concentration of salt of heavy metal like mercury, copper and silver coagulate cytoplasmic protein, resulting in the damage of or death of cell. Fourth one is phenol and its derivative. Phenol is chief product obtained by distillation of the coal tar. Phenol 1% has bactericidal action. Many derivatives of phenol are more effective and less costly. Fifth one is alcohols. Alcohols have fairly rapid bactericidal action against vegetative bacteria when diluted to the concentration of 60% to 70% volume by volume with water. Ethanol 60 to 70% volume by volume and isopropanol 50 to 60% volume by volume are used as skin disinfectant, while methanol vapor has been used as fungicidal. The higher alcohols such as propyl, butyl, amyl, etc. are more germicidal than ethyl alcohol. Alcohol are used as preservative in some vaccines. Sixth is aldehyde. Formaldehyde is the main aldehyde used for disinfection. Formaldehyde in solution is used for sterilization of certain instruments. Seventh is quaternary ammonium compound. Quaternary ammonium compound are widely used for the control of microorganisms on floor walls, nursing homes, and other public places. They are also used as skin antiseptics and as sanitizing agent in dairy, egg, and fishing industries. 8 one is dyes. A number of dyes have been used to inhibit the bacterial growth. Basic dye are more effective bactericidal than acidic dye. Acridine and triphenyl methane dye are commonly used as antimicrobial agent. 9th one is detergent and soaps. They are widely used as surface active agent, beating agent and emulsifier. They are classified into four main groups such as anionic, cationic, nonionic, and amphoteric. The most important antibactericidal agent are the cationic surface active agent. For example, cetrimide, benzalkonium chloride, etc. Soap and sodium lauryl sulfate are anionic compounds. Soap prepared from saturated fatty acid are more effective against gram-negative bacilli, while those prepared from unsaturated acid have greater action against gram-positive bacteria. Non-ionic detergents are not ionized. However, these substances do not possess significant antimicrobial activity. Amphoteric compounds have the detergent property of anionic surfactant combined with disinfectant property of cationic surfactant such as Taro compound. Mode of action of disinfectant. Disinfectant either alter the membrane permeability of microorganisms or damage the protein of cell membrane and organelles, or rupture the cell membrane, damage to nucleic acid, interfere with metabolic pathway. Thank you.